Hey shoppers, today we have a magnetic play toy. So this is educational. It does have this paper box that you can store it in so you don't have to try to find any containers. So it does come with a nice little handy bungee for storage, but they're magnetic. So you can make so many different things like butterflies, caterpillars. It all comes apart and attaches like a bendable plastic material, so you can easily give them wings. How cute is this? And then you can attach it like a ball. So great for kids ages 4 to 7. Educational, you can use this if you're homeschooling, if you're a teacher. It teaches them science, hand-eye coordination, problem solving. Look how cute. There is 18 little pieces in there.